Hello and welcome to Amethyst Star Crafting. My name is Jane Allmark and I'm a UK independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. And today is a very special day because it is my 60th birthday. A very special birthday, and I was so delighted to receive, I belong to a lovely rack group where we send out birthday cards to fellow people around the world, and I was very lucky to receive some absolutely beautiful birthday cards. So I thought I would come on and show you, because there's so much inspiration in these that I thought that they would be good for you all to see, and to see some inspiration as well. So this one is a lovely piece of the Feels Like Frost. We've got a little bit of ribbon on here. We've got the paper turned the other way round, which is rather good. And then a coordinating piece of cardstock matched through as well. Mounted on some card, which is, I'm trying to work out what colour it is. I'm not quite sure what colour that is. And then on a card base, but absolutely beautiful. And then just a couple of little sequins on there to add a little bit of sparkle. So an absolutely beautiful card. The second one, I love how the cards are all completely different. Now this one is beautiful. You've got the little bees up at the top, and these have all been done with dimensional sticking out, Make-A-Wish, and put on some beautiful, I think probably Daffodil Delight at the back. But again, absolutely beautiful card. There's this one, which this has been embossed. And then you've got the flowers on top, and the flowers are just sort of peeping in over the top with coordinating colour on there. Happy birthday to you. And again, a couple of little rhinestones to just add that little bit of sparkle. So absolutely lovely. Then there's this one, which again, I don't know whether you can see. This is, it's a retard set, but it's got Wink of Stella all the way through it to give that real sparkle. Again, the cardstock has been turned over one side onto the other. So you've got those two different tones, lovely ribbon running down the centre and embellished with some little flowers and some little die cut butterflies. So absolutely beautiful. Then there's this one, which is very cleverly done because it's done, I think, on crumb cake, and the background has been stamped in, I would think, crumb cake as well, so you've got that tone on tone. Again, three little rhinestones. How lovely that just with a little bit of embellishment, you just get that little twinkle on there. These are the nested labels dies. And again, put on so that they've got one comes out from the side and then two lovely butterflies on top. Birthday wishes, as I say, absolutely lovely. I'm going to save. No, I'm not going to take this one. This one is absolutely amazing. I don't know whether you can see. It's this is embossed in black, and then you've got it mounted on black, and then I would think probably I don't know, a brown and then a cream on there, and then all of this piece at the back as well, it's on black, and that's been stamped as well. Now inside it tells me it's black embossed magenta flower, then paint the inside of the image with Javex, Javex. I've never heard of it. I need to look it up. Place a folded piece of paper towel on a paper plate, dampen with Javex to create an ink pad, and then stamp the card front. Now, it's not bleach because it's a very different substance. So I'm going to look this one up because I absolutely love that. I think it's the most beautiful card. Really makes a stunning focal point. Then this one, again, very clever because she's stamped with this background in three places and on the top, and then put the flowers in the centre, and then the Hope Your Day Blooms with Happiness across the top, and then there's a beautiful butterfly on there. But I really love that. I think it gives a lovely background, and it gives that sort of painted look, but it's still quite uniform. So again, absolutely beautiful. Really love that one. Then we've got this one, which is lovely. This is embossed in gold. Hope your birthday's as grand as you. And then we've got little coloured sequins in on there. And then again, designer series paper put in 2 different ways to sort of give that 1, 2, 3 look, which, as I say, is lovely. And then there's this one, which is yay, free cake. I mean, happy birthday. And again, you've got this one. She's put a piece of designer series paper on. Then she's put washi tape down the centre. So that's given that sort of complete half. Room at the bottom to stamp the sentiment. And then these pieces have been put up with dimensionals to just give that extra layer. But I really love the way she's coordinated the colours of the ink with the designer series paper. So again, a beautiful, pretty card. And then this one is absolutely lovely. A rainbow of happy, 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 happy birthday. And this is taken from, because I've got this one, it is the, says me, I've got to find it. It's the well-written framelits. And these are absolutely lovely dies because you have got, that's the happy. So you've got the happy that you can then get it the right way up, that then you can put out. You've also got birthday. You've got, oh, let me see, I can't see these upside down. You've got hooray, you've got thanks, you've got welcome, you've got family, you've got wishes, you've got sympathy, baby, bride and groom, miss you. And there's also some lovely florals, little flowers, bird, butterfly, and this lovely floral as well. So I think that this is an absolutely lovely set, and you can see how beautiful a card you can make with the happy, 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 happy down there and birthday on the front. So I just wanted to come on and show you because, as I say, I think that these give people, they certainly give me lots of inspiration, and to see how totally different each one of these is. With all of the different colours, different combinations, you know, you've got just such lovely, pretty, beautiful cards. So a big thank you to all of the people that sent them to me. I hope they've given you some inspiration, and thank you so much for watching me. Bye-bye.